Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who are new, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, which is going to be on brow tinting at home. So as you can see, and anybody who is familiar with my channel knows that I have a thyroid issue, so I have very sparse brows. And then the hairs that I do have are really light. Now, I have several brow tutorials on my channel on how to fill these in and make them look real. But today we are going to tint them at home so that we don't have to do as much work when we do fill them in. So what I'm going to be using today is this Just for Men. This is mustache and beard dye. I picked this up at CVS. I think it was like 10 bucks. And I grabbed the shade M35, which is medium brown, because this is a wig, so these are not my actual roots. They're not that dark. I do have blonde hair, but like medium brown roots because it is dyed. So I have a friend named Maddie. She has like the strawberry blonde hair, like the red ginger hair that is so beautiful, and her eyebrows are like that too, and they're really light. She's the one who told me that she started using this as a brow tint instead of paying to go get it done at like Ulta or something. So I'm gonna try this today and we're gonna see how it works out. Now I will say that hers lasts like 4 weeks and then she does a touch-up. So to only have to do this once a month, that sounds wonderful to me. In future videos, I will try to update you guys, and I'll like even not do my brows before I film, because I do my brows all the time before I film. But I'll come on and show you guys like an update of what it looks like. Probably not the next video, because I think I'm going to film a tutorial today while I'm filming, so it would probably be like the next few videos after that. So first I'm just going to outline my brows, and if you need a guide on how to map your brows out, I've done that in like every single brow tutorial I've ever done, so I will link one up here for you guys. Okay, so these look pretty even to me. I'm sure you guys will call me out in my comments if they're not. Okay, so I'm going to take equal parts of both of these and put it in this little tray. So I'm just going to take like a little dot of each, because this is just my brows. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot. So I'm going to mix like that. So like maybe a pea size. It might be a little bit bigger than a pea. You probably only need a pea size. Okay, so this is what it looks like for me. And then it says to take the plastic end of this and just mix it up really good. Now it says to use this brush. I'm not going to do that because obviously this brush is like bigger than my brows. So I'm going to go in with this Brow Gal angled brow brush. And I can already tell you that I like mix way too much. That's going to be way more than I need. I'm literally just going to put this on a pretty good layer on across like my entire brows. And of course I'm going to try to stay within the lines that I've created already. And if I go outside of the lines, I'm just going to take a Q-tip and kind of wipe it up. So while I'm putting this on, I just want to ask you guys like what you guys want to see from my channel. Do you guys want tutorials? And if you want tutorials, what kind of tutorials do you want? Do you want neutral tutorials, wearable, everyday glam, color? Would you rather have reviews? I'm kind of struggling with my channel a little bit, and I haven't been uploading that much because I've just been feeling a little bit discouraged, because I have been uploading videos and I feel like you guys aren't watching them, aren't enjoying them, and that's not your fault, that's mine. So I'm just having a hard time. Like, I know that you guys like the brow tutorials, however I can't only do brow tutorials. Like, there's only so many brow products out there. If there are brow products that I haven't done a tutorial with and you would like for me to review it or try it for you, please let me know, because I would be so happy to do that for you. But yeah, I kind of want, you know, I want to make you guys happy. You guys are my audience. I'm very thankful for you guys. I'm very thankful for all of the new subscribers coming from my brow tutorial. I want to make you guys happy, and I want to put out content that you guys want to watch. So please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see so that I can do that for you. So everything's on here and good. So I'm going to set a timer on my phone. It says to set it for 5 minutes, but I feel like I took like at least a minute or 2 or 3 to put that on. So I'm going to set a timer for, I'm going to go 3.5, and I will see you guys then. Okay, you guys, it's actually been like probably 5 minutes. I think I probably left this on too long. I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm taking a makeup wipe remover. You're supposed to like wash it like with your beard, like shampoo. Oh. Okay, well, it's not too dark. Maybe the makeup remover wipe wasn't a good idea, because like it did tint my brows and it did tint my skin, but also a lot of it's washed off now. Okay, but I feel like this might be my fault, because I think I should have used shampoo like it said to wash it off instead of a makeup remover wipe. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more. I'm not gonna outline it again because you can already see where the outline was, so I'm literally just gonna fill it back in. I'm only gonna leave it on like probably 3 minutes this time. I feel like this one got darker than this one, but I don't know if it's because there's a little bit more hair on that one as opposed to this one. See, that's the thing. I don't know if this will work for somebody who has like really sparse brows, because I like actually need my skin dyed, not just my brows. So it's gonna make like my brows, but you can see like especially on this one where the hair is, because it attaches to the hair really well. So I'm just gonna try to put like a layer on the actual skin. Okay, so let me set a timer again. This time I'm gonna go 2 minutes 30 seconds, and I'm gonna see if this does any better. Okay, so my timer's going off again, but this time I'm gonna go wash it off with some Color Safe shampoo, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I washed it off with a Color Safe shampoo, and this is the result. It's kind of weird. This brow, it does have more hair. It did tint my brow hairs like amazingly, like so good. So if you have actual brow hairs, then this would like work wonders for you. This is like the brow hairs. This is the first time I've ever like really been able to see my brow hairs. I'm just gonna take my brow pencil and I'm gonna just fill my brow hairs in a little bit. Now see, this side I did tint them a little bit thick, so please don't come for me in my comments. This is my first time doing it. I do feel like it fills in really nicely with just a brow pencil, and it's super quick, and I can just do like quick strokes. I really like this side. However, this side, I don't think it'll look, wait, it might. Let me just finish filling this in really quick, and we'll look at the difference then. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown, by the way. One thing that I like about it is that I feel like it got like a really good, the dye like got a really good color. Okay, so I didn't fill these in good at all. This is not my best work. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit because I just want to see what it looks like completely done. Okay, so this is what the brows look like with just a brow pencil, and then I used a little bit of concealer to clean it up. Considering that, I think I might continue doing this, and I might also go back after I like wash this off the pencil to see if it developed any more here or if that's really just the pencil. But the pencil's never colored it in that well and made it look that good and blended. So I think that I will continue to do this. I will try to update you guys like in future videos after I give like my face a little bit of time to rest, because I did just put that on twice, and I don't know if I recommend that because I think you should only do it once, but I'm a rebel. So it filled it in, I felt like perfectly, where it was still a little bit light. Too dark would make you look like you have like really sharpy drawn on brows, and I didn't want that. This side didn't fill it in as much, but it filled in with the pencil really well. I don't know, it really tinted my brow hairs, And so it even makes me look like I have a lot more brows than I did, because you know how you have like all of my brow hairs are light anyways, but then you also have like the little bitty tiny hairs. Like my tail looks like so full. The tails of my brows look really full because it picked up like every tiny little bitty, like even peach fuzz hair, and it just made them look so much fuller. It makes it look like I actually have like way more brow hair than I do. So I'm going to continue to do this, and I will try to update you guys throughout my videos in the future to let you know what I think. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this review, whatever we're gonna call it. Don't forget to sound off in my comments and let me know what you guys want to see on my channel, because like I said, I really care about making you guys happy and putting out content that you guys want to see. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next one. I love you all. Bye.